Hello, my name is Ron Taylor, and I'll be the Assistant Professor for the Building Construction Technology program at Doña Ana Community College. Today we're going to do a brief tutorial of your ebook for Contrin Connect, how to log in, how to register your book, and just some of the overall resources that are available through the website. First thing you're going to want to do is click on your web browser, and where you type in your URL, you're going to type in www.contrinconnect.com, and you'll be at the website. And from here you'll go to login and register, and students will end up clicking here to register your computer. And from this point it's going to give you a licensing agreement. You're going to want to accept this, and then it's going to ask you if you have a Pearson education account. Most of you aren't going to have it because we're dealing with core curriculum and this is the first class. We want to create a login, create a password. Make sure that you write this information down in a secure location where it's available for you at all times. At the bottom, when you bought your book, you should have a card like this that has an access code. It also gives you the steps in order to do this. You're going to type in this access code that's similar to this that was offered to you in your book into these blocks, and you'll click on next. We're going to get an error because I didn't enter any information. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back and we're going to log in and register, and I'm going to log in as the instructor, and I'm going to give you a little bit of some ideas of what's available for you on Contrin Connect. Automatically it's going to take you to a bookshelf. Well, in your bookshelf you're going to have the core curriculum. This is the book, the 4th edition curriculum. You're going to click on there, and this is the book home. From the book home you have many resources available for you here. This will say Student Toolkit, and on the Student Toolkit you'll have active figures, and within active figures we're going to stick with the basic safety module. You can give examples of respirators, and then you can drag these to different areas to test your understanding, and then click Finish and determine how you did. That's one thing that you have available for you, and we're going to go back to the table of contents, basic safety again. We're going to go to the toolkit, and we have video clips. Within the video clips you have all these videos that deal with the different types of competencies that you're going to need to pass for certification. You can go to course and my course. Well, here you're going to have a radio button below your book. It's going to say connect to instructor. You're going to want to make sure that you connect to me as an instructor. And after you click on that radio button, it's going to ask you for the last name of the instructor. Just type in TAY and hit enter in the last name, and that will bring up my name and the class. And for example, it's going to say DACC Fall 2011 for this fall. Here's the syllabus that's available for you in the e-text, in the ebook, and anything that's highlighted here is an assignment that's required for you to complete. And within these assignments is a radio button that actually takes you, or a hyperlink that takes you to that actual chapter to prepare yourself for what's available and what needs to be completed. At the end of those chapters you'll have module exercises. These are review questions that you will need to complete. They're multiple question, and you'll click how did I do, and it'll submit for a grade. You'll automatically get a grade, and you'll be aware of where it is that you need to start studying. And then you have trade term quizzes where you're going to fill out the term, and here's the definition, and then click finish at the end, and it's going to give you your grade. You also have slide presentations, PowerPoints that we do use in class, so this will be available for you to do reviews. You have your progress tracker. Within your progress tracker you're going to be able to look and see how you're doing in the class. So click on a name. Well, you want to click on a name because it'll just be you, and it'll give you all your average scores, how many times you've taken it, percentages attempted, and overall just you know, how you did as a student within the class. So this is a brief tutorial. We covered how to register your book. We covered all the resources that are available for you through your book. And one more thing is that when you go to your book, you are able to do a audio lecture, online lecture. You click on that, You could do it in Spanish or English. So a great tool for ESL students that are Spanish speakers. So it's not only teaching in different learning styles, but it's also accommodating different languages as well. So it's a great tool. I hope you enjoy it. Overall, it's going to enhance your learning in the classroom, and it's going to make you a better student. Thank you very much.